Hello friends. Today we are repairing the remote control for the MAGNIT split system. The buttons on this remote control are very difficult to turn on. So let's disassemble and repair this remote control. So friends, such control panels are repaired in the following way. It is necessary to apply the thickest possible layer to the black rubber buttons using a soft pencil. And when the button is pressed, the contact is closed through the graphite. Let me show you how to do it. Ideally, this should be done under a microscope, but this is also possible. Next, I will apply the layer under a microscope. Because it is much more convenient to control the application process and not leave empty spaces. I applied a layer of graphite, then we may have a coating on the contacts themselves. Therefore, using an eraser, we will wipe the contacts and remove plaque. Then we assemble the remote control. Now it's very easy to turn on the bullets, not much pressure, and the remote control works immediately. Now you need to put on the cover. I tightened one screw from the inside, but it should have been done from the outside of the case. You can, of course, take it apart again and re-tighten the screw. But I won't do this since the case holds it very tightly. We assemble the remote control and put on the cover. Previously, you had to press very hard on the buttons for them to work. That's all. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe to the channel and watch a lot of useful videos.